Hello and welcome back, or welcome. Miss Fatima the Camel has been exercising her credit card over at PLouise. She found some goodies, so let's see what we've got. First up, I splurged on the water refreshing spray called Rain on Me. And I love the way they spell that. Instead of rain, R-A-I-N, they spell it rain, R-E-I-G-N. They have good packaging and a good sense of humor over at PLouise. Yes, they do. I enjoyed this very much last summer when it was really hot. So she splurged, and we have another one. This is in the Loving Lime scent. They have a whole variety of other scents. This is what I had last year. I really enjoyed it, so we now have another one. And like I said, we splurged. This was $26. It's not a setting spray. This is a water spray that has, I think, a little hyaluronic acid in there, so there's something to it. This is a water spray, a refreshing spray. So not for on top of your makeup. Use it on a no makeup day. Very glad to have this again. And then they had something called a discontinued bundle, and it was $15. And it had 3 items in it. But you don't know what it is because it's a mystery box. So here we are with our little box. Let's see what we've got. This is a smoochy lip pencil. It is in the shade Backstage Pass. And that's the color. And as I understand it, it said that this was a discontinued mystery box. So I'm presuming that these are items they are no longer making and are trying to move along. I've seen some other channels do this, and it looks like every box has a lot of different variety to it. So that is the shade on that one. And then there is they call it a makeup base or a lip base. This is what it looks like. Now, I've seen some channels raise the question because there's a plastic wrap around only from about here to about here. And as near as I can tell, because there have been some questions, people were concerned that they were getting a product where the safety seal was removed. I don't think this plastic wrap is a safety seal. I think it's how, and now it's starting to slide off. Now I think this is how they got the barcode onto the product so that they could sell it individually in the store, or maybe how they could just sell it to keep track of it for inventory purposes. I don't think this was meant to be, as it's scooting up and trying to slide off now. I can slide it back on. I think that was just how they got the barcode onto this package, because there's so much writing on the package, there was no place, I think, to put the barcode. I'm having a hard time figuring out what shade this is. And I will tell you, when I opened this up, it blooped out a large amount. It says PLouise on trend, achieve the perfect pout, cosmetic base. I'll show you a little swatch here that I put onto, where'd it go? There it is, come back here. Put it onto one of my little favorite cotton squares. That is the shade. Oh, that would go well with that lip pencil. Yes, I think the two of them are perhaps, hold that, Fatima, don't get it all over yourself. That's good. I think these two were maybe designed to go together. They look kind of like they should. And then there was a third thing in here, and it is a glitter in First Flash. That's upside down. Now it's right side up. I think, in first flash. And it says, now that's part is upside down. Be seen for the star that you are and let your glow do the talking. Oh, I like the sound of that, don't you? I do too. And this is called Say It With Chest Body Glitter. I get where they're talking about flash because this is going to have some definite reflective properties to it. It's got a little powder puff there on top, so I guess one just, let's see if we can do this. Get my hair out of the way. Puff on, oh, poof! I don't know if that showed up on camera, but that definitely was poofy. Okay, so this I think is something to play around with. I'm wondering if it glows more in the sunlight. So that was my mini shopping haul, and the 3-item box was $15, so that would be $5 an item, which honestly is not bad. And then there was the Rain on Me water spray that was $26, and that was a splurge. Once in a while you gotta splurge. And the shipping, I think, was $9. Thanks for watching today. What did you see that you liked? Have you tried any of these? Let me know. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know, I want to know, I want to know, no. Because I'm a nosy camel. Tell me all the details. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Tell your friends to come on over and watch. We're trying to keep building up this channel. Yes, we are. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it.